Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will do some lip swatches of the KissMe lipsticks. This is a subscription for lipsticks. I get 3 lipsticks every month for $20. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the lip swatches. As we can see, the theme of the month is romance and Valentine, and the packaging is frosty, and also the cap is a very nice light pink color with small little hearts on the top. Also, the colors that we got for this month are very Valentine-y and romantic. I also did a more romantic eye look with the Tryst palette by Viseart. I have reviewed this palette yesterday. I will link down below the video. With this lipstick subscription, every month you get 3 different lipsticks and you never get again the same colors. I like that you get some very unique colors like I did last month. I received a gray color, and I will link down below also the lipsticks that I got for January. The first color that I'm going to use is Flirt, and this is a clear lip gloss with gold micro glitter in it. And let's see how this looks on the lips. It has a very mild vanilla scent. So this is a very clear lip gloss, and you can see the glitter. It applies very easy on the lips with the applicator. The consistency is very light, you don't feel it on your lips, and very comfortable. I don't like that you can see that I have some wounds on my lips. It doesn't cover anything. It is just a glossy layer on top of your lips. I think this will work very nice on top of other lipsticks. So I will also use this on top of the lipsticks as well. It is not sticky and it is very comfortable on the lips. So let's move on to the other 2 colors that I think they both are matte. Let me see the little flyer that we get. It doesn't say anything. So the color that I'm going to use is this pink matte color, and it is called Valentine. This is like a Barbie pink but a little bit more subtle. That applied very nice. And I like the color. It is a little bit Barbie pink, but I like it. I like it. This looks very nice. I like it. What do you guys think? Do you like this color? I think it's very beautiful. Let's help it dry a little quicker. So every month you know which colors you will get, so you can cancel your subscription if you don't like the colors and get the next month the colors that they have. So let's do our transfer proof test. It is not completely transfer proof. You feel that you have something on the lips. It's not completely lightweight, but also it is not uncomfortable. So when I press my lips together, the color doesn't separate. It's separated just a little bit here, but it's not very visible. I mean, I don't think you can see it on camera. I need to have my mirror here to see that. So this one reminds me a lot of the gray lipstick that I got last month, and I liked that formula. So I want also to add a little bit of the lip gloss to see how it looks on top of the lipstick. Oh, it takes some of the color. I will clean it on my tissue so I don't ruin the lip gloss. It was very easy to apply it on top of the matte lipstick. If you want to make this matte lipstick a little bit more glossy, you can just apply this on top of it. It looks very nice. The pink lipstick doesn't move when I press my lips. That's nice. I will continue with the color Secret Admirer, and this is like a vibrant purple magenta color. So before it completely dries, you can use a Q-tip to clean your edges if you have made any mistakes, but after that it stains the skin, so you will need concealer and you know, all the other stuff. So let's see if it is transfer proof. Oh my god, this is completely transfer proof. So it is completely dry, and I can feel that I have something on my lips, but it is not uncomfortable. I just, it feels like a liquid lipstick. So the color didn't apply evenly. It is a little patchy. It doesn't look very nice. The color is very beautiful. I think it also makes my teeth brighter and whiter. I like that. But the color is very patchy. When I press my lips together, the color separates just a little bit here, but the biggest problem is that it is patchy. So I will apply on top of it Flirt again to see how it will look. And as you can see, my applicator got a little purple, and I will clean it on a tissue because I don't want to ruin the color of the lip gloss. I tried with the lip gloss to correct a little bit the patchiness, especially here, but I'm not able to do that. It looks very nice, the lip gloss on top of the matte lipstick, but the problem is that it still looks patchy. So from the 3 lipsticks, the only one that worked perfectly for me is the pink one, the Valentine. The purple one, which is called Secret Admirer, it is patchy. I cannot do something about that. I like the formula because it is lightweight on the lips and it is not sticky. About the lip gloss, I don't like that it is so transparent, but I like that I can use it on top of other lipsticks. I will not be able to use it by itself because I don't like it. I will try this subscription one more month because, it is a nice concept to get 3 lipsticks every month for $20, but I don't want to just get products that I don't like and they don't work for me. So I will give it a try one more time. Most probably, if I don't like the lipsticks again, I will stop the subscription. That's how I did with the glossy box too. So let me know in the comments below if you have already tested KissMe lipsticks, and also tell me if you have already tested the other subscriptions that LiveGlam.com has, like the Morphe brushes and the other one with the eyeshadow club, something like that. So tell me if you have already tested those and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!